Hello and welcome to the BigBoomRiver channel. In this video, I want to show you a strategy that most players completely overlook. How to increase your EV not by playing better, but by choosing better games. And QQPK is one of the most interesting tools right now to do exactly that. First, very important, this is not about switching sides. A lot of players think they need to find the best side and grind only there, but that's actually not optimal. The real edge comes from combining different environments. Now, quick context, QQPK is a Malaysian poker app that has been around since 2024 and it's available in most countries with very simple access and minimal verification. They are also connected to the Triton ecosystem and the player pool is heavily recreational, with many players coming from Asian regions, especially China. That's a big reason why the games are so soft and you can play both on mobile and desktop. So it's very easy to integrate into your setup. So instead of replacing your main site, we are simply adding QQPK to your current grind. Now, why are the games soft in the first place? The biggest reason is mobile access. A large part of the player pool is playing on their phones, and naturally, those players are more recreational. Another important factor is accessibility. Because the platform is available in most countries, with very little friction, a wide range of players can join the games. So in addition to the strong Asian player base, you also see a lot of recreational players from regions like the US. And when you combine all of that, mobile players, global access, and recreational heavy traffic, you get a much softer ecosystem. And this softness is not limited to low stakes. In fact, this is especially interesting for mid stakes and even high stakes players. Because when you are already having a solid strategy, adding softer lineups has a direct impact on your win rate. For low stakes players, the situation is a bit different. The site can be still very attractive, especially if you have a strong affiliate deal. But it's not always easy to move up quickly in the piggy bank VIP system. So your Rakeback might not scale as fast compared to higher volume players. But overall, the key point is, the games are soft across all stakes, and that's what makes QQPK interesting. Now let's talk about something most players underestimate, the Rake. QQPK runs across all stakes at 4% Rake with relatively low caps. And if you compare that to the industry standard, which is typically around 5%, that's a significant difference. And over a large sample, this directly increases your win rate. Lower Rake is more EV kept in your pocket. Then you have the piggy bank VIP system, and this is their main Rakeback system. Your Rakeback depends on your VIP level, which increases based on how much you play and how much Rake you generate. So naturally, more volume means better rewards. But, and this is important, the system isn't fully transparent. You don't exactly know how fast you're leveling up or what the exact formula is. And realistically, that's probably intentional. It allows QQPK to control the ecosystem and avoid giving too much Rakeback to high volume professionals. Still, if you're playing consistently, you can achieve very solid effective Rakeback. On top of that, there's a 100% deposit bonus up to $888. It clears at around $1 for every $5 in Rake, so it effectively adds extra Rakeback while you play. So again, more value on top of your volume. Now, if you look at the tables here, you can see how the additional rewards are structured. In the tables in the middle, they show the daily Zoom leaderboards for NL10 to NL50. You collect points for basically every action, calling, folding or raising, so it rewards consistent volume. On the right side, you have the weekly and monthly MTT leaderboards, which add another layer of rewards for tournament players. And on top of that, there are jackpot pools for each stakes. If you hit strong hands like quads or better, you receive a fixed percentage of that jackpot pool. It's about 0 EV because they also take jackpot drops. So again, all of these elements don't look huge individually, but together they reduce your effective Rake and increase your EV. Now let's talk about the downsides because they matter. First, the VIP system isn't fully transparent. Second, There's no HUD or tracker support, and yes, that makes studying the game harder. And also, QQPK does not operate under a formal gaming license. So from a pure regulation standpoint, it's not comparable to fully licensed sites. At the same time, the platform has built certain level of trust through its connection to the Triton ecosystem and its well-known ambassadors. But again, we need to keep our goal in mind. We are not building our entire volume on QQPK, we are simply adding 1 or 2 tables to increase EV and make money. Our main study and volume still comes from other sites. So in practice, this is not a big problem. So how do we actually use QQPK? Very simple. You keep your main grind on your primary site and replace 1 or 2 tables with QQPK tables. And the reason this works is because you combine 3 powerful factors: low rake, strong rakeback, and a very soft player pool. That combination directly increases your hourly. This is how strong players think about the game. Most players focus only on strategy, but a huge part of your win rate comes from game selection. QQPK is not meant to replace your main site. It's meant to increase your overall EV. If you understand how to use it correctly, it can make a real difference in your results. If you want access to the best setup, low rake, strong rakeback, and the best affiliate deals, just message me, join my Discord, and I'll explain everything step by step. And if you decide to try it, you can use my bonus code MG46P5 and the referral link in the description. Last, I would like to do some advertisement for my Discord server, the BigBoomRiver EV Lab. So here you get all information about promotions, rakeback, and other strategy recommendations. You can ask your questions, you get free strategies. If you want, you can let your hands review by the community. I keep you updated about newest videos that I upload, and you get detailed recommendations where to play, and you get bonus codes for all tools and many different sites. If you're interested in coaching with me, you can just give me a text on the server or per direct message here.
Good luck! Thanks for coaching or affiliate deals!